Hey guys, welcome back to another video on the channel, and today we're gonna unbox something. And obviously you can see this is from Cashify, so this is probably a refurbished or used phone. I don't know if this will sell used phones, but this is a refurbished iPhone and we are going to unbox this, and I'm going to share my personal experience with Cashify. So let's go. So guys, this is the box, and as you can see on the box, on the front we have all the Cashify branding here as well. On the sides, in here we have small change, big impact, and some information, and the device information is here, and we can see we have a Cashify logo in here. So the device is iPhone 12, 4GB plus 128GB, so 4GB RAM and 128GB storage. And I bought this for my office, like my job, because obviously you guys know all of my Android phones, even my tablet, is bootloader unlocked. So obviously I cannot use it for official reasons. There are a lot of issues going right now, Google Play integrity, and a lot of banking apps also do not support the bootloader unlocked devices, and we have to do a lot of work to make all the things work. So I don't want to get into that. That's why I switched to an iPhone for my daily usage. But I also do use my newly bought Motorola G57 Power with it. Obviously this doesn't last a day, so yeah. And my Moto G57 Power lasts 3 days. Obviously it's a newer phone, 7000 mAh battery, considering the battery and the age. But we are not going to talk here about all that. We are just focusing on the refurbished iPhone. So unbox this. This is the box, and you have this kind of that sponge like thing, which of the name I have forgotten. This is the Cashify box. It has the phone inside, and this is the phone. Sorry, I have a case. I bought a case for this one, and this is the lavender or purple color. I don't know with the color name. Sorry about that. And this is the phone. And look at the condition. It's really nice. The ports are clean. The grills are clean. Everything was clean. There were very minor scratches. There were very minor scratches all around the phone and display, and it looks really nice. But like when I saw it for the first time, and he said that this is the only iPhone 12 good piece I have, and this is kind of a super condition phone, but you know it is named as good because of a few scratches on display. So I thought let's show it, and I was like, I want this. So this is how I bought this, and it has the iOS, I don't know the version, let's check that out. If you go in here, there's no about device, so you have to go to general, about, and as you can see iOS we have 26.2. Not sure about the versions here, latest or not. And iPhone 12, okay, it has maybe revealed my IMEI. I'll just blur that out. Let's keep it aside. And we have something like this: welcome to Cashify circle. Okay, and we also do have a cable, but the cable is not here. The cable is I'll just bring it. This is the cable that I've got, and I hope this is better than what Apple provides, because Apple's cables are really shit. All just Chinese wholesale market, that is. And this is the adapter. Not sure how much a watt. This could be 15 or 20 at max. That's what the adapter comes. This I bought separately for 2190, so it's kind of expensive considering charges. And that was the box. That was the unboxing. Now let me share my iPhone carrying experience. So I went to the Cashify store in Kalyan, which is in like near Mumbai or near Thane, you can call, if you are from Mumbai, and if you are really having trouble checking out Kalyan, because you know, if you say some of the cities there, Kalyan, Dombili, where I live, people be like, oh, it's very far. But yeah, I went to the store, and my experience was really nice. I was well informed about all the models that were on my range, and told me everything about the scratches and everything. So the condition of the overall device, the display, all the stuff. And this was like such a fantastic device that I've got the hands on, and I just confirmed that okay, let's pack this, let's do this. And when I asked him for offers, at first he was like, there won't be any offer, there is a suitable cart value that will be added. Then I added the charger because obviously I will need an adapter. And when I added this adapter, the guy who was informing me about all the devices, he said we can do something about discounts and offers. And then he did something which was really nice. I don't know, because my invoice total was 27,000 including this one, so 25,500 and 2,190. That was something about 27,700 or something like that. Then he added this Bought earbuds. This is 700 ANC. And then there was a discount added, and discount allowed, and they allowed a discount of something like 2,600 or something like that. And then the invoice total was down to 27,138. This was the exact invoice amount, and I was really happy. Like, even if I have bought this combo, and if I have added this extra, so it was like a gift from them, the Bought 700 ANC. This was launched in the late 2025, and we'll be unboxing these earbuds in a separate video, so stay tuned for that as well. And I guess that is it. That was my overall experience with Cashify, and I went in store because I had to physically check all the models. And I feel this is one of the best experiences I got with Cashify. And obviously this is not a promotional video. I thought I would share my personal experience here. I have heard a lot of experiences where people had a really bad experience with Cashify people. So I thought, okay, this might bring out a positive change, that you cannot decide how the whole company works, like how some of the people working there with their attitude and their body language, their whatever the way they handle the people there or the customers there. You cannot judge the whole company. See, there are bad people, good people, so you have to maybe speak nicely, or maybe there's a rush, people just are in such a hurry that makes the person obviously confused, and maybe there are fights because of that. But yeah, let's not justify anything bad happens is not to be justified. So it's both the customer or the consumer and the person who is responsible from Cashify. They should handle things properly, I feel. And this is a two-way communication, so everything happens two ways. It's not a single way communication. But by far my experience with Cashify with this first purchase is really good. In future I might also think of buying another devices. Let's see. And I hope I get the same experience, and obviously I would love to share with you all that as well. So that was it. And for the Bought 700 unboxing, wait for another video. You can also check out the I button in here. I will add the video after I unbox it. And that's it, guys. See you soon. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Like, share, subscribe. You do what you want. Everything. And also dislike as well. And feedback will be in the comments. So do all that. And bye, guys. Take care. Good night. I'll see you guys in the next one.